Hi students, let us see the example 1.30. Here we are getting one set of linear equations. We have to test whether it is consistent or inconsistent, and if possible we have to solve the following system of linear equation. For x minus 2y plus 6 z equal to 8, x plus y minus 3 z is equal to minus 1, 15x minus 3y plus 9 z equal to 21. Here the number of unknowns is 3. The matrix form of the given system of equation is Ax is equal to B, where A is equal to, we have to write the coefficient of the matrix. X is the coefficient matrix, is x is equal to x, y, z, B is equal to 8 minus 1, 21. First I am going to write the augmented matrix. 4 minus 2, 6, 1, 1 minus 3, 15 minus 3, 9. 8 minus 1, 21. Applying elementary row operations, we can transform this augmented matrix into row echelon form. Okay, row echelon form means what is that? It is nothing but we have to bring these two entries of the first column and this one entry of the second column should be 0. Before that, I am going to interchange this row 1 to row 2, row 2 to into row 1. Why? Because here small number is there, means it is very easy and convenient to change the transformation. That's why I am going to change 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 6, 8, 15 minus 3, 9, 21. Okay, next step, what I am going to do now, see, R2, our aim is, we have to bring these two entries to be 0. Okay, R2 minus, here suppose if you are getting the value 4 means 4 minus 4 0. So I am going to multiply by 4. Okay, then R3 minus 15 R1. See, R2 minus 4 R1, R3 minus 15 R1. R2 what is that? 4 minus 4 into R1 what is that? 1 equal to 0, minus 2 minus 4 into 1 minus 6, 6 minus 4 into minus 3, 18, 8 minus 4 into minus 1, 12. Then one more thing here, 15 minus 15 equal to 0, minus 3 minus 15 into 1 minus 18, 9 minus 15 into minus 3, 9 plus 45, 54, 21 minus 15 into minus 1, 36. So I am going to write first row as it is. By using elementary row operation, we transformed R2 under R3. That row I am going to write here. See, these terms are in minus. Suppose if it is in plus, this is very easy to reduce the terms. So I am going to divide by this R2 by minus 6, R3 by minus 18. We get 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1, 0 minus 6, முன்னாடி மட்டும் அடிச்சிருங்க. I am going to divide by minus 6 and R3 divided by minus 18. 0 minus 6 means 1, here minus 3, here minus 2. See 0, minus 18 by minus 18 1, 54 minus 18 minus 3, here minus 2. Next I am going to reduce this term. For us this term should be 0, that time only that is known as the row echelon form. So R3 minus R2, 1 1 minus 3 minus 1, 0 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 3 into minus 3 minus, see minus 3 minus of minus 3, minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0, like same here it will get 0. See in this 1 0 row is here, 2 non-zero rows are here. So the rank of the augmented matrix is 2. Here 1 0 row and 2 non-zero rows are there. So row of augmented matrix is equal to 2. We have to verify the row of A. So we have to find the determinant of A. 4 into 1 into 9 9 minus 3 into 3 9 plus 2 into 9 minus 45 plus 6 into minus 3 minus 15. See 4 into 1 into 9 9 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9, here minus 2, so there plus it will come, 2 into 9 minus into minus plus 45 plus 6 into minus 3 minus 15. Okay, 4 into 0 plus 2 into 54 plus 6 into minus 18, 808 minus 6 8s are 48, 4 0. So it is vanishing. So this rank, the rank of the coefficient matrix is less than 3. So we have to check the determinant value of second order minor. Suppose if you are going to take this 4 plus 2 6, it is coming. What is that minor of A? 4 minus 2 1 1. 4 plus 2 6. So it is not equal to 0. So row of A, rank of matrix is 2. Row of A is equal to 2. So from the echelon form we get, see here less than 2 means 2, less than 3 means 2, here row of A, row of augmented matrix also 2, isn't it? So both are equal. Rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. So from this we get the equivalent From this equivalent matrix, we can write the system of linear equation. What is it? X plus y plus y, x plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 1, then y minus 3z is equal to minus 2, here 0 equal to 0. From this row echelon form, we have written the equivalent system of linear equation. In that third row is 0, so 0 equal to 0, but this is meaningful. Okay, now we are going to introduce parameter here. Instead of this z, here z equal to something should come, but here z is not there, 0 equal to 0, but this is meaningful, so I am going to introduce one parameter z equal to t. T is a arbitrary element, isn't it? And it is a real number. Suppose if I am going to introduce this parameter, you just name this equation 1, 2, you put z equal to t in. We have to find the back substitution. Back substitution, suppose if you are going to substitute the values by back substitution, we get z equal to t, y is equal to 3 into t minus 2. See, I brought this minus 3 to the right hand side. So, plus 3 into t minus 2. Now, I am going to substitute these two values in first exercise, first equation. What is that? X plus 3t minus 2 minus 3t is equal to minus 1. 3t will be cancelled. X is equal to minus 1. This minus 2 comes to RHS, it will change into plus. X is equal to 1. So, the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3t minus 2, z equal to t. This is called a one parameter family of solution. So, the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3t minus 2, z equal to t. This is known as the one parameter family of solution. Thank you.